Hi team, 30 June is coming around really quickly, and as accountants, what that means is we're constantly getting questions from clients about how to reduce tax. Now, there's a lot of ways to do it. We often talk about superannuation as one. If you're running a business, it's all about having the right structure for your business set up. But the third way, which a lot of clients are getting into now, particularly the Queensland property market is hotting up, is all around having property, but it's having the right sort of property. And that means one that is new, that has massive depreciation benefits attached to it. That can save you thousands of dollars in tax every year. So we're teaming up with a couple of awesome people very soon. Mosaic Property is one and FinPro Group is another. We'll be holding our property masterclass. It's coming up very shortly. We will be sending out some information. Keep an eye on our Facebook page for that, and it's limited to 20 people, so you do have to get in rather quickly. Depending on how that goes, we may run another one as well. But if you want to learn about the Queensland property market, how to reduce your tax, how to use that tax savings to pay off your mortgage quicker, which is a big goal of a lot of clients, then please sign up for the property masterclass. Worst thing that happened, you can actually educate yourself for the day on Queensland property market. So yeah, hopefully see you there, and we'll speak soon. Cheers.